Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Watanabe show. My name is Princess Costa, and today we have Cora along with us. So without further ado, first we are going to place trades, and then we will move to the news part. We have already placed trades in our 100 account.
Okay. Where did we book?
We in 100K account, and we booked it at 622.6. We placed it at market, and it got completed at 622.
Yeah, generally the price softens after open. So I don't see nifty piercing. Bank nifty piercing the high of the whatever is the high. That may remain the high. If you have any positions, you can book here. Yeah, already 50 points down in a minute.
Yeah. Okay. Let's quickly move to our 200K account. Are we placing any trades here?
No, even this, what happened actually? It was at 49. I think we have to just show me the code board.
For Asian Paints?
Asian Paints.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it a midpoint and be done with it. 43.2.
43.2. Okay. So guys, for Asian Paint CE 2760 CE, we have placed the limit at 43.2.
Now we have to move it to mid. The 43.2 was mid at that time. Now it is 42.6. Change it to 42.6.
But it got completed already.
Oh, it completed. Okay, just now I think it completed. Okay. Yeah, it was a bad trade. I never revisited that high. Could have booked for at 75.
Okay.
Claim the highs, but at least 74. That's
your voice is cracking, Cora.
Yeah.
4 or 5 rupees.
Cora, you were
I
not
think maybe the internet connection, so I don't know. Or maybe the internet connection, that's what I'm saying.
Can you repeat what you say?
I mean, it was a bad trade. I mean, not putting a limit at the after the entry. We could have put limit order for us 4 or 5 rupees gain, which could have hit. And from that, it never reached that high. So I don't want to. If it was a trade on a big capital, then you can wait for Monday. If it was a trade for a small capital, you could take it and redo Friday up, Monday up trade kind of stuff. In the evening. Actually, it's now reacting. We exited at wrong time.
Yeah.
Most of the time, Friday open would be high. That's why I said Bank Nifty won't pierce the highs of the day. I said most of the times, not every time. So Friday it is little shaky. So around the open time is when the high gets printed. And later on, it's people start booking the profits. Like us, like when we have seen that 550 points gain, we book. And already Nifty softened, as you can see. It was at, I think, about 90 points up, and now it's only 50 points up. It was
Kora, we are not able to hear
a
you.
very what is that? The Telugu film director. And I have seen it.
Okay.
Internet is a little unstable. I don't know. Yeah, I can proceed with news, Princess.
Sure. So in the global market updates we have is US futures trades flats after cash market ends largely higher on Thursday. US market ends mixed. S&P rises to nearly a 5-month high, and Nasdaq rises more than 3% and records best day since November. SGX Nifty trades higher. That indicates a gap up start for the Indian market. And moving to the Indian ADRs, we can see that all the Indian ADRs are up except for Dr. Reddy's. In stocks to watch, we all know that Adani Enterprises is in news, and NSE has put Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, and Ambuja Cements in short-term ASM. And
Actually, stop there. This is a big problem. It's people can think SEBI or whoever is formulating the rules are helping the people. But the problem is when the stock is going up, it doesn't go up on a upper circuits. It goes up in a slow motion. So that's why the ASM framework won't kick in. When the stock is falling, it starts falling in a lower circuits or limit down moves. So the ASM framework kicks in. So it's not SEBI or anybody doing the favors to Adani or whoever it is. It's the nature of the market. It happens with any stock. That's why staircase is up, lifts down. That's what I say.
moving to SBI Life Insurance and SBI Life Insurance Company. So the insurer told the exchanges that the budget recommendation to non-linked policies will not be much significant to them. And TVS Motors, the company through its subsidiary, will acquire shares in electric mobility player Ion Mobility, Adani Ports and SEZ. So the positive news here, the company's subsidiary Adani Harbour Services incorporated Port Harbour Services International in Singapore to carry out businesses there. Inox Green Energy Services, the company will acquire 51% stake in iFox Wind Technic. Then we have is Engineers India, HDFC Life again. So on budget recommendation, even they said that they will be having the impact of around 12% of the total annual premium equivalent. Nothing much more here to share. Earnings we have is Mahanagar Gas. Good results, I would say. The revenue is up by around 62.62%, and net profit is also up. The board will be recommending dividend of 10 rupees per share. In Karnataka Bank, net interest income is up by around 34%, and their non-performing assets has slightly gone down. Crompton Greaves is in news. Tata Consumer Products. So the revenue is up by around 8%, and net profit is up by around 33%. And these are rest of the stocks that we can watch. Today, we have two big results. One is for State Bank of India and ITC. And these are rest of the stocks on screen. They are having results today. In trading tweaks, we have is ex-date and record date interim dividends for these stocks here. And in insider trades, we have Zensar Technologies is in news. So the promoter group has bought 63,000 shares on Feb 1. In money market update, we can see that the rupee closed around 0.3% lower against the US dollar at 81.18 on Thursday. In FNOQs, we can see that FIs continue to sell in the cash market. FIs have sold around 3,065 crores, and DIs have bought around 2,371 crores. FI and derivatives, they have gone short in index futures and stock futures, and long in index options and stock options. And overall, there is notional addition of around 15,432 crores. So that's it in the news. This is Mr. K. Vishwanath, and we would like to yesterday, so the film industry, film and television industry lost a gem, and we extend our deepest sympathies to Vishwanath ji's family and all his near and dear ones. Truly, he was a legend by himself. Vishwanath was born in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. He studied intermediate and holds a BSc degree from Andhra Christian College of Andhra University. He began his career as a sound recordist at Madras. In 1951, he started as an assistant director in Telugu Tamil film. In 1965, he debuted as a director, and in 1995, he debuted as an actor in Telugu film Shubha Sankalpam. He was not just a film director, but he was also a screenwriter and actor known for his works primarily in Telugu cinema. Recipient of 5 National Film Awards, 7 State Nandi Awards, 10 Filmfare Awards South, and Filmfare Awards in Hindi. He was honored with the Prize of Public at the France Film Festival in 1981 and 1992. He received Andhra Pradesh State Raghupati Venkaiah Award and civilian honor Padma Shri for his contribution to the field of arts. In 2017, he was conferred with Dadasaheb Phalke Award, the highest award in the Indian cinema. And so that's it. And on this note, we would like to end the show for the day. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in, and have a good day.
Thanks, Prissy. Thanks.